Hi, our lesson for today is all about systems of linear equations solved by algebraic methods by elimination or solution by elimination. This method of solving systems of linear equations depends on the addition property of equality, which states that when two quantities are equal, adding the same number to each quantity results in equal sums. This is used when the coefficients of one of the unknown quantities in the two equations are equal in absolute value. So for our first example, let's solve the system x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 2, which is x plus y is equal to 8, our first equation, while x minus y is equal to 2 is our second equation. So for our solution, we're going to apply the addition property of equality. So we will have x plus y plus x minus y is equal to 8 plus 2. And for this, we're going to combine similar terms. So we will have x plus x is 2x, then positive y plus negative y, it will become it is equal to 0. And 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And after that, let's apply the division property of equality by dividing both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2, we will have 1x or x, and 10 divided by 2, we will have 5. So therefore, our value of our x is equal to 5. So now, let's take the first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 8. And after that, let's substitute 5 for the value of x. So we will have 5 plus y is equal to 8. And then, let's apply the addition property of equality. So, or by transposing positive 5 to the right side, so from positive it will become negative. So 8 minus 5 will become 3. So therefore, the solution is the ordered pair 5 and 3. So now, let's check. So let's substitute the ordered pair in both equations. So for our first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 8, let's substitute the value of x by 5 and the value of y by 3. So we will have 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So therefore, 8 is equal to 8. Using the second equation, which is x minus y is equal to 2, let's substitute the value of x by 5 and the value of y for 3. So therefore, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and therefore 2 is equal to 2. So it shows that our solution 5 and 3 is correct. So now, let's proceed to our second equation. So let's solve the system x plus y is equal to 2, which is our first equation, and 2x minus y is equal to 4, which is our second equation. So for our solution, an alternative method is to put similar terms in column and add vertically. So it will it will become like this. So for this, if we're going to add x and 2x, it will become it is equal to 3x, and then positive y plus negative y is equal to 0. So therefore, the remaining terms will be 3x is equal to 6. And after this, let's apply the division property of equality by dividing both sides by 3. And then 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1x or x, and then 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So therefore, the value of our x is equal to 2. Now, in our first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 2, let's substitute 2 for x. So we will have 2 plus y is equal to 2. And then, let's transpose the positive 2 to the right side, so it will become negative 2. So therefore, y is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the solution is the ordered pair 2 and 0. So now, let's check if our solution 2 and 0 is correct. So let's use our first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 2. And after that, let's substitute the value of our x, which is 2, and the value of our y, which is 0. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, 2 is equal to 2. Now, let's use our second equation, which is 2x minus y is equal to 4. And then, let's substitute the value of our x by 2 and the value of our y by 0. So for this, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and then bring down minus 0, then 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So therefore, 4 is equal to 4. It proves that our solution 2 and 0 is correct by checking or using the first equation and second equation. Next, for our third example, let's solve the system x plus y is equal to 6, which is our first equation, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 2, which is our second equation. So for our solution, to eliminate one of the variables, or y for example, let's multiply both sides of the first equation by 3. So it will become like this. We need to do this so that we can eliminate one of the variable. So for this example, we are going to eliminate the variable y. Since we're going to multiply both sides by 3, so let's multiply, or let's simplify this. So 3 times the quantity of x plus y, it will become 3x plus 3y, and then 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Now, from here, we can add now. So this will serve as our third equation. So now, let's add our third equation and our second equation, so which is 3x plus 3y is equal to 18, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 2, which is our second equation. So from here, we can eliminate our one of the variables, which is y. So for this, let's add. So 3x plus 2x is 5x, and 3y, or positive 3y plus negative 3y, is equal to 0. And then 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. And then, let's bring down 5x and 20 and apply the division property of equality by dividing both sides by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1x, or x, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. Therefore, the value of our x is equal to 4. Now, in our first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 6, let's substitute 4 for x. So it will become like this. So 4 plus y is equal to 6. And then let's transpose positive 4 to the right side, and then from positive it will become negative. So we will have y is equal to 6 minus 4, and therefore the value of our y is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution is the ordered pair 4 and 2. Now, let's check using the first and second equation if our solution 4 and 2 is correct. So let's check using the first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 6. Let's substitute the value of x by 4 and the value of y by 2. And then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So therefore, 6 is equal to 6. Next, let's use our second equation, which is 2x minus 3y is equal to 2. And then let's substitute the value of x by 4 and the value of y by 2. And it will become like this. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 2 is 6, is equal to 2. And then 8 minus 6, the difference is 2, and therefore 2 is equal to 2. So therefore, it shows that our solution 4 and 2 is correct. So I hope you understand our lesson for today, which is systems of linear equations solved by algebraic methods, so which is solution by elimination. Again, this is your friendly math teacher, Sir Cielo. Thank you for watching.